This 2009 BMW M3 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. BMW M3 Convertible 4.0 LDOHC V8 engine 7-speed M double clutch transmission heated front seats rear parking sensors keyless entry fog lamps power trunk opener cruise control adjustable steering wheel power windows power door locks carbon trim interior Silverstone metallic exterior black leather interior BMW floor mods owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2009 BMW M3 Convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.